Howdy, folks. Look who's on the roster today. It's the Magnum 44 Twin Cat by Oxygen Marine. I got the GPS siliconed on. I'm running some 4519 stainless. We're just going to cruise. Get this thing dialed in. Now that sure was fun. 88 miles an hour is what we got on some stock, well not stock, but some stainless 4519s. That's pretty darn good, and I wasn't even really trying to do a speed run. Magnum 44, we have a few left in stock. Subscribe to our channel, smash that like button. Remember to enjoy radio-controlled model boating.